In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Watch Ultra 2 for fitness. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 and any other model of Apple Watch can be used for fitness. The Ultra series is actually designed with fitness and high activity in mind. This is because it allows you to track all of your stats, and because it is rugged, very well constructed, it is going to be okay undergoing daily activities, starting workouts, and utilizing all of its features. This will be primarily done either through the activity or the workout app. So all that you have to do is look for the activity or workout app on your iPhone or the Apple Watch. These should be default applications, but if they aren't available, then you will be able to download them and add them into your Apple Watch. Inside, you will be able to set up runs. You can control music while you run, set up notifications, see all of your records, and you can start tracking at any time. So you have stuff like high intensity interval training, you will have different paces, different training activities, and you can manage all of them inside of the workout application. It will keep track of your beats per minute, and all of this data will be tracked into your iPhone, so you can always open the summary within the fitness workout app and control it there. I recommend using the workout application because it should be built into the Apple Watch as a default application, but you can download external ones through the App Store if you prefer. During your workout, you can raise your wrist to see real-time metrics. You can swipe left or right to see different metrics, so the heart rate zones, segments, elevation, and your workout is going to be logged into the fitness app with the paired iPhone. Even if you go far away, all of this data will be uploaded once you get into close proximity once more. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.